after taking this course, I still do believe that there is life out there in the universe that does not originate from the Earth. Um, I feel like the universe is just too vast and too large for there not to be any other life other than us. Um, when it comes to planets being habitable, that's another reason. Um, I just feel that's one of the big reasons is just the universe is too big for us to be the only ones, and um, just the way other planets are habitable, along with ours, is a big evidence towards that fact. Um, and then also the last video that we talked about in the discussion, about how the galaxies are moving away from us and the universe is growing, and as those galaxies um, move away from us or the space stretches and gets bigger between them, those galaxies cool and atoms and molecules combine um, to make bigger compounds, which could lead to microorganisms and other types of life. Yes, I do believe that there is life other than ours in the universe, and it'll just take some time for us to discover the other life that is beyond our Earth.